y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cori, I am Cori, and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. One topic that is very safe to talk about is el clima, the weather. Everybody has an opinion about it. It's important to know how to talk about el clima cuando vas de vacaciones, when you go on holiday, and it's important to know how to respond to ¿cómo está el clima? How is the weather? Así que, comencemos. Before I go further, hay una nota importante. There is an important note. In Spanish, we refer to the weather as el tiempo, the time. For example, el tiempo está horrible. The weather is horrible. But it doesn't mean that the day is bad, just that the weather is. We're not talking about la hora or the time. For that, we have another video that you can check out in our channel. Spanish weather expressions can be split into three categories. When the weather hace or does, when the weather es or is, and when hay or there is some kind of exciting weather. Now, let's imagine we're chatting with somebody from abroad and they start asking about el clima, the weather. ¿Cómo está el clima? How's the weather? If you're talking about the weather in general, or ¿qué tiempo hace hoy? What's the weather like today? To respond, we can say, hace frío, it is cold. Or hace mucho frío, it is very cold. Hace calor, it is hot. Or hace mucho calor, it is very hot. Some months hace mucho frío, are very cold, and some months are hace mucho calor, are very warm. But if you want to know how to talk about los meses, I have a video, so go and check it out. To talk about the weather in general, ¿cómo está el clima? Or ¿qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like? We use está or it is. Está soleado. It is sunny. Está nublado. It is cloudy. Or está granizando. It is hailing. Algunas veces, sometimes we'll use the verb to be or I. And that's to talk about a specific weather or exciting weather, like hay viento. There is wind. Hay mucho sol. There is a lot of sun. Muy bien, great. Now we know how to ask about the weather and how to respond. But what if you just want to state how you feel? For example, tengo frío. I am cold. Did you notice we use the verb to have instead of, like in English, to be? Tengo calor. I am warm. You can always complete your sentences by stating how warm you are. I am very warm. Tengo mucho calor. O tengo mucho frío. I am very cold. Now, basic expressions. Here at Spring Spanish and in the Spring Spanish Academy, we call them chunks. Word combinations that are always used together. Está soleado o hace sol. It is sunny. Hace mucho frío. It is cold. Hace mucho calor. It is very warm. Está lloviendo. It is raining. Está nevando. It is snowing. Some other expressions or chunks for the weather. ¿Qué calor hace? It is very hot. Está rico el clima. What a pleasant weather. Me estoy congelando. I am freezing. Es un horno. It's an oven. Hace mucho viento. It's very windy. Here in Veracruz, we have two phenomena called norte, which means north, and sudada, which the translation will be from the south. And these are winds going fast. Sometimes hay vientos de más de 100 kilómetros por hora. There are winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour. So we'll say, hay norte, there is wind. O está la sudada, the south winds are in. Muy bien, ¿cómo está el tiempo donde vives? What's the weather like where you live? ¿Está lloviendo o hace calor? Is it raining or is it warm? Let me know in the comments. If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out our channel for other videos from me or the other teachers at Spring Spanish. Now, if you're ready to take it a step further, go beyond these weather sentences and just being able to talk a lot of Spanish very fluent, please don't forget to check our Spring Spanish Academy, where we're going to teach you our method that we use to help you speak in Spanish super fast. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. If you are interested, just click the link in the description to sign up. Now, I hope you had fun. I certainly did. Y espero que nos veamos la próxima semana. I hope to see you next week. Hasta la próxima y gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.